Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll transform our old boring phone cases into this new cute one. So let's go. First off, I'm gonna take my old case. I'm gonna color it in the shade black. I'm using here a spray paint in the shade matte black. You can also use acrylic colors if you want to. And there it is done. So till the phone case dries up, let's create the character. For the phone case, here I've just drawn out on a piece of white paper and then I've cut it into different parts. Now we're gonna trace the same thing on foam paper like so. Cute feet. Then the eyes. For the eyes, I've just taken white foam paper, cut it into circles and then drawn up with black green color. Just created eyes, a small beak, and I've covered this with some clear tape so that its durability increases. And there's our cute little owl. So now we'll cover the foam sheet with some clear tape so that the durability of the phone case is much longer. So I've just taken tape, I've just stick this down on the tape and we're gonna cover it with a double layer. So yes, stick it properly, the edges, and now we're just gonna cut it out. So there you go. So once this is done, we're gonna assemble the whole thing together. We are going to use a hot glue gun here. You can also use some sticking glue, some strong glue. We're gonna assemble all the parts together. We're gonna stick them together with the help of the hot glue gun. Cute little owl. Okay. Stick it up all together. There you go. That's the owl's ready. I've not stick the feet of the owl yet. Now we're gonna stick it to the case that we had spray painted earlier. You can paint it into any color you want. So again, stick it with the help of hot glue gun or super glue. Okay, there you go, it is done. So the first back cover is ready. Looks quite cool, classy, cute. Okay, so let's move on to the second one. For this, I have again done the same procedure, but this time the character is going to be different. I'm going to use a popsicle for this one. I've created a popsicle with the help of 3 different colored foams and created a character on it. For the stick, I've used yellow color foam paper and given it shade with some brown color so that it looks like a popsicle stick. And then we have some cute statements. In this case, it is nothing is impossible, and I have created in the form of a pun, making it nothing is impopsicle. Quite funny and funky. So we're gonna stick the whole thing to the back cover with the use of hot glue gun, and there's how it looks. So I hope you guys like the video. Quite easy and fun tutorial. So guys, if you like the video, do not forget to share this with your friends and try it yourself, and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also, there's another DIY video, a phone case transformation, that's coming out on my sister's channel sooner, maybe today or tomorrow. I'll give the link to her channel in the description. Go there, watch her videos, show her some love, and until we meet, stay grateful, stay happy. I love you all. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.